Another day, another Brampton driver that, well, can't really drive. I don't know how you can't notice that there's a semi-truck driving beside you, but this guy somehow missed it and proceeds to get in a collision with a second vehicle.
The video is locked.
It's no wonder why Brampton has the highest insurance premiums in the country. Similarly, they are tied with the highest accidents in the country. If you ever find yourself driving in Brampton, make sure to drive safely.
The video is locked.